So we chose the Pro 7200 engine as a result of going to Telford and being very impressed with the research and development team that they have behind them. It's increased productivity considerably. We used to choose slower machines. This has come in and increased our capacity considerably as well. Added benefits being we can now duplex banner sheet size material through there. It just speeds everything up. So we can deliver to our clients much quicker, and our response times to them have improved tremendously as well.
Ricoh.